Welcome back. There's plenty of cancer research going on in labs across San Diego, and it helps that we're right on the coast. That's because right now at Scripps Institution of Oceanography, scientists are looking into sea urchins as a way to help patients who need chemotherapy. They're spiky.
These spines protect them from predators. They don't hurt at all. You want to hold one?
They live and linger near the ocean floor.
They hang on to rocks and
are content eating kelp.
This is the mouth of a sea urchin, and it has these teeth here. You can think of these as being a bit like the bison of the sea.
And they live for well over 100 years.
That might be a 30-year-old urchin.
Assistant Professor Amro Hamdoun and postdoctoral researcher Tufan Gurkamak are using these sea urchins for cancer research because the sea creatures release eggs, millions upon millions of them. Conveniently for their research, Southern California is home to the biggest population of purple sea urchins in all of the world. Divers will head right off the coast here in La Jolla, find areas with rocky bottoms where the sea urchins live, collect a few, and bring them directly into the lab.
We spawn sea urchins here.
In this lab at Scripps Institution of Oceanography in La Jolla, they study these microscopic sea urchin embryos.
First division happened, life started. Then the second one, 4 cells.
And they have no shortage.
A single female sea urchin gives us a massive amount of material to work with and do our studies.
Using neon colors, they can see all cell sections magnified.
Using a color as a way to look at how these transporters function.
This to figure out how to get past each cell's lining and, well, kill it.
Understanding why some chemicals get into cells and why others don't.
The research here to make sure chemotherapy kills cancer. Hamdoun, part of this groundbreaking project, says some cancer cells don't allow chemo to get in.
They want to block the trafficking of the protein right before it goes to the surface.
They have to manipulate the chemo to get that drug inside so it can do its job and destroy the bad guys. Let's simplify it some more.
We might design a cancer drug so that it can sneak past the bouncer and get into club cell.
Cancer treatment discoveries unfolding right here in San Diego because of what's lurking in our waters. Yeah, they just want to get into club cell. Great analogy. Interesting to note the doctors at Scripps tell us 70% of the genes in a sea urchin are similar to the DNA of humans.